Hi, what's wrong?
I'm just a little sad.
Why?
I don't know all of the letters in the alphabet. It's really hard for me to remember all of them. My mom said songs help people remember things, but I don't know any songs. Do you know any songs? Can you sing me a song to help me remember all the letters in the alphabet?
I think I can help you, but I don't know any alphabet songs. But I can make one up as we go through the letters. And for the record, I'm not a singer, but I'll try my best. A is for Arctic, look at all the snow. B is for bear, that's me, I know. C is for cheerful, happy as can be. D is for dolphins swimming in the sea. E is for elephant, ears like yours. F is for Frosty, it's so cold. G is for giggles when we're happy. H is for happy when we giggle. I is for igloo where it's cold. J is for jolly like Santa's North Pole. K is for kite that flies in the sky. L is for laughing, ha ha ha. M is for mommy who loves you lots. N is for nose that we all got. O is for out when I stub my shoe. P is for polite like please and bless you. Q is for quack like a rubber duck. R is for rules like be home by dusk. S is for school where we go to learn. T is for teacher who some think are stern. U is for us like connect the dots. V is for value with both we have lots. W is for walk when we play outside. X is for x-ray, see inside. Y is for yummy when I eat fish. Z is for zebra, now we're finished. Well, what did you think of my song?
Thank you. That was great. Now I know all the letters of the alphabet. There's just one thing, you were right, you are definitely not a singer.
Don't forget to subscribe!